Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and today we have another magnificent day of profits, and I'm going to show you just how we made those profits using our tools. So we're currently on the AUD USD chart, and we are using our uGenesys Volume X indicator and our Market Keys Trade Manager. So let me just pull this up to show you our volume section here, and the strategy that we use is that whenever these bars cross this golden line here, then we know that the volume is sufficient to take the trades, and also when the price action is inside this purple highlighted area, then we know that's a good time to take the trades as well. And we used our Market Keys Trade Manager to calculate the lot sizes for us and to manage the trades as well. And so let me show you the profits that we made for today. So here you can see the individual profits, and we made a total of $885.83. And there you have it, guys. And so to get this amazing Volume X indicator and our Market Keys Trade Manager, you can click on the links in the description below. And thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.